Good morning, kids. It's Lily and Ben's sixth day of vacation. Today, they are going to the Science Museum.
Ben, wake up! We're going to the Science Museum today.
I'm awake, Lily. I can't wait to see all the cool exhibits.
Good morning, my little scientists. Here are some yummy pancakes to start your day.
Today we're going to the Science Museum. Are you excited?
Yes, Mom and Dad.
Let's get ready to go!
Ben, do you have your notebook and water bottle?
Yes, Lily. I'm ready to go.
Lily and Ben are excited about their Science Museum adventure. They can't wait to see all the amazing exhibits.
Look, Ben, we're almost there.
I see the museum entrance.
Here we are. Let's start our science adventure.
Remember to stay close and have fun.
We will, Mom and Dad. Look at the dinosaurs, Ben. They are so big.
And so old. They lived a long, long time ago.
Lily and Ben love learning about dinosaurs. They imagine what it was like when dinosaurs roamed the earth.
Look at the planets, Ben. They are so colorful.
And the stars are so bright.
Lily and Ben enjoy learning about space. They imagine what it would be like to travel to the stars.
Here are some healthy snacks to keep you energized.
Thanks, Mom.
Lily and Ben enjoy their snacks, talking about all the exhibits they've seen so far.
Look, Ben, we can make a volcano erupt.
And we can make a rocket fly.
Lily and Ben love trying out the science experiments. They learn about how different things work.
Look at the robots, Ben. They can move and talk.
And they can help us with different tasks.
Lily and Ben enjoy learning about robots. They imagine what it would be like to have a robot friend.
Once upon a time, there was a little robot who loved to explore the world. Let's read about his adventures.
Lily and Ben love listening to stories. They imagine all the fun adventures the little robot has.
How was your science museum adventure, Lily and Ben?
It was amazing, Mom. We saw dinosaurs, learned about space, did experiments, and saw robots.
And we learned so much about science.
Lily and Ben had a wonderful 6th day of vacation at the Science Museum. They are excited about all the fun adventures they'll have during their break. See you next time, kids.